Hey friends, welcome back to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm showing you how to make this delicious creamy garlic butter shrimp with sun-dried tomatoes and spinach. This recipe is really good and comforting. It's best served over pasta or rice. Let's get started. Alright you guys, I have my pan heating up over medium heat. I'm going to toss in 2 tablespoons of butter. As soon as the butter has melted, I'm adding 6 cloves of minced garlic. I'm going to cook the garlic on medium heat for about 30 seconds or until it begins to get fragrant. Next, I'm going to cook some shrimp. I have in here 1 pound of peeled shrimp. I left the tails on. You can take them off if you want. I'm seasoning the shrimp with salt and pepper to taste. Then I'm tossing them in with the garlic and cooking them for 4 minutes or until they begin to turn pink. Make sure you don't overcook your shrimp, otherwise they'll come out chewy. Once you've achieved this color, you can take them out of the pan, then set them aside for later. Once the shrimp is out of the pan, you're going to have some leftover melted butter in the pan. You're going to use that to cook 1 small minced onion for about 1 minute or until it caramelizes like this. Next, I'm going to pour in half a cup of white wine. The wine is going to lift all the brown bits from the bottom of the pan and add a beautiful flavor. If you don't want to use alcohol, you can use chicken broth instead. I'm going to cook the wine for about a minute until it completely reduces, just like this. Then I'm adding 2/3 cup of sun-dried tomatoes. I'm also adding 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. Then I'm tossing everything together and cooking for about a minute for the added ingredients to release all their beautiful flavors. Next, I'm pouring in 1 3/4 cups of half and half. I'm seasoning with salt and pepper to taste, then I'm mixing everything together. Once everything is mixed in, allow the sauce to come to a simmer, then we're going to add in some spinach. I'm using about 2 cups of spinach. I'm going to let the spinach cook in the sauce until it wilts down like this. Then I'm going to add 2/3 cup of parmesan cheese. I'm going to mix in the cheese, then let the sauce continue to cook on medium heat until the cheese is melted. Once the cheese has melted into the sauce, I'm going to toss in the cooked shrimp. Then I'm adding some fresh parsley, mix everything together and let the sauce cook for about a minute. And that's about it, you guys. This recipe is best served with rice or pasta. You can even serve the shrimp over steak and a baked potato on the side. That'll be so good. I served mine over some cooked noodles. It came out really flavorful and very delicious. If you guys would like to make this recipe, check the description box. I have all the ingredients and measurements there. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!